Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin kung ano itong mga exciting things na darating sa inyo in the next 2 weeks from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. This is a timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And also, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And of course, it is Taurus season. So, happy birthday. Happy solar return sa inyo. I wish you all the best in life, happiness, and success. So, Taurus, tinan natin. In the next 2 weeks, what's coming to you? Ano yung mga exciting things happening para sa mga Taurus in the next 2 weeks? You have the 5th house. You have Saturn in Leo. Wow, okay. Yung iba sa inyo, Taurus, may mga restriction, no? Yung parang napipigilan ka sa mga bagay na gusto mong gawin para sa sarili mo. But I think in the next 2 weeks, magkakaroon ka ng lakas ng loob to finally step into your own power. The 5th house is your creative talents, creative skill sets, knowing to have fun, okay? Leo energy is someone na alam niya yung kanyang worth, alam niya yung kanyang galing, talento, very confident yung energy na yan. Saturn naman, yung iba iniisip na, Saturn, malefic planet. But actually, si Saturn is a very rewarding energy, no? It's a planet that rewards hard work. Okay? So, if ikaw ay mag-effort, no, sa mga plano mo, sa mga pangarap mo sa buhay, then definitely, magiging successful ka dito. No? So, you may be tapping into your talents, your skill set, your abilities, na kung saan kikilalanin ka ng mas maraming tao. Yung iba sa inyo, matagal na kayo sa ganitong industriya. Yung iba sa inyo, let's say you are a content creator na matagal ka na nagko-create ng contents, or you are a social media influencer, nagsishare ng knowledge, ng skills mo, pero wala pa masyadong nakakapansin sa'yo. But, kung hindi ka titigil dyan, ipupurso mo pa rin, as long as that is your passion, yan talaga yung gusto mo, eventually, no, makikita ka or merong makaka-discover sa'yo, and boom, ayan, dadami na yung nakakilala sa'yo, yung followers mo, and that will open opportunities for you. Okay? So, hindi man siya yung tipong ang tawag doon, overnight success. Magiging worth it naman siya for you because of your hard work, your patience, and yung discipline mo sa sarili mo. Okay? 5th house is also about dating, no? So, kung iba sa inyo, in the past years or months, medyo hindi naging maganda yung estado ng relationship mo, or pwedeng wala talagang karelasyon at all, pero gusto mo naman talaga. In the next 2 weeks, you will be able to find someone who has the qualities na gusto mo talaga. This can be an earth sign, kapareho mong earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or a Leo. Okay? So, 5th house is also about children. Yung iba sa inyo, kung gusto nyong magkaanak, or you've been wanting to have a baby, at meron naman kayong ginagawang efforts to make that happen, I also see you na this is something exciting na mangyayari sa inyo in the next 2 weeks, is to be pregnant, to get pregnant, or maaring kung yung partner mo, maaring siya yung mabubuntis. Okay? So, take whatever resonates, or kung ano man yung posible sa sitwasyon ninyo. You have the sea urchin, so this is protection. Sea urchin is about protecting your energies, dispelling negativity, no, yung pagtanggal ng mga nega sa paligid mo. And I think meron ka mga rituals na gagawin, or mga tools na gagamitin, divinations na gagamitin to protect yourself spiritually. You also have the sun. The sun is your confidence. Aring mas magiging malakas yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo. Sun is also an energy. So, I feel like in the next 2 weeks, magiging energetic ka. You have a lot of strength para magampanan or magawa yung mga responsibilities mo or yung mga obligations mo, yung mga kailangan mong gawin. You also have the links. Links is intuition. I think you are going to be intuitive pagdating sa decision making. Kung meron kang kailangan pagdesisyonan, just tune in to your instinct na mararamdaman mo yun eh. If something is wrong or meron kang kailangang mas piliin over something, okay? So, yung pa lang na pagkakaroon ng malakas na kutob, na sensitivity when it comes to your instinct, very psychic, no? Yung energy na yan. Malaking tulong siya para ma-navigate mo yung iyong purpose, yung iyong destiny, na hindi ka na masyadong mahihirapan eh. This is also about independence. So, in the next 2 weeks, kung meron kang balak na maging independent, to be on your own, pwedeng sa trabaho to na ayaw mo na maging empleyado ng iba. So, in the next 2 weeks, maaring magkakaroon ka ng opportunity na to be a freelancer, self-employed. Okay? Someone who can take care of yourself. Pwede rin naman na kung nasa relationship ka, tapos abusive yung relationship mo at gusto mong kumawala dyan, pero natatakot ka kasi baka hindi mo kayanin, makakayanan mo. So, don't worry. Just believe in yourself. Dahil kung gagawin mo yan para matanggal yung anything toxic or negative sa buhay mo, then that will do something good para sa'yo. Okay? You have the Emperor. The Emperor is someone who is very structured. Kumbaga, disiplinado siya. Alam niya kung ano yung step-by-step process na kailangan niyang pagdaanan para ma-achieve yung goals niya. So, I see you having that quality. You also have the Nine of Wands, no? Someone na mapagtiis. Kumbaga, parang ano siya, handa siya na pagdaanan yung challenge, yung pagsubok, yung mga kailangan niyang gawin para ma-achieve yung goals niya. Hindi siya madaling panghinaan ng loob. So you have the strength that you need. You also have the King of Cups. So someone who masters their emotion. Alam mo kung ano yung mga emosyon na kailangan mong i-acknowledge or i-nurture. Alam mo rin kung ano yung emosyon na hindi mo kailangan na parang manaig sa sarili mo, especially in making decisions. Minsan kasi nagiging emotional sa mga actions natin. So, if you master your emotions, alam mo kung paano yun gamitin for your good, for your own good. You have the Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles is mastering your craft. So, yung iba sa inyo, in the next 2 weeks, ang exciting dito is yung work, yung trabaho, yung career na ginagawa nyo, pinupurso nyo, ay something na passionate ka. Yun talaga yung gusto mong gawin. Di ba ang sarap magtrabaho kapag gusto mo yung ginagawa mo? Di ba? Compare mo yan sa ibang tao na napipilitan lang pumasok sa trabaho kasi alam nila pag pumasok sila sa trabaho, susweldo sila. Yung mga tao na gusto nila, yung ginagawa nila, yung trabaho nila, nakakalimutan nila yun eh. Kasi nag-e-enjoy sila, nalilibang sila. At marami silang natututunan. So, I see you doing that for yourself. You also have the Lover, so this is commitment. Yung iba sa inyo papasok sa isang serious commitment. This can be commitment sa relationship, yung iba sa trabaho, pwedeng kontrata. Meron kayong kontrata na papasukin. Wow, double sun. Oh my God. This is brightness. This is good luck. Good luck is coming your way, Taurus. So this is something na you can look forward to kasi kino-confirm talaga yan. 2 beses yung sun lumabas. There's also an ending. Meron kailangan ka talagang i-let go, Taurus. That is no longer serving you. Pwede tong sitwasyon, pwede tong behavior, pwede tong mindset na kailangan mong i-let go na hindi na nakakatulong sa goals mo. You have Cross. Itong cross na to is parang burden sa buhay mo. I feel like ito yung ile-let go mo na burden na alam mo na hindi mo na kailangan tong dalhin, 'di ba? Para mas mahirapan ka lang. So, I think this is something that you're going to release. Releasing the burden of a situation that is no longer serving you. Every hurricane comes to an end. Yes. Taurus, kung naka-experience kayo ng challenges in the past, in the next 2 weeks, makukuha mo ulit yung iyong corona, yung iyong achievement. Okay? Patapos na itong challenges na to, itong problema na to, itong pagsubok na to. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.